It is 7:25 in the evening right now, and look. Tingnan niyo yung mabuti, ha? Naghi-hailstone. Akala ko tuloy-tuloy na yung ganda ng weather sa UK kasi today, it's been a good day talaga. Mainit, may araw. At ito na yung revenge, mga palangga. Ito na yung revenge ng weather. So, one day, sunny day, and 1 week, ganito. Naku, wag naman, uy. Pero, yeah. Hello, mister.
Yes, ma'am.
So, I'll give you another update, mga palangga. Are you ready? Update sa ating shower room.
Nothing to see.
So, let's go here. Look, meron na siyang radiator and yung towel rack. Yeah, looks good now.
That's just pulled off there. No, my screw's not long enough for that. I'll have to deal with that. Put some bigger screws in. Longer screws.
Close the door, please. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, don't pull it back if it needs some longer screws in. I never pulled it yesterday.
Okay.
I want some bigger screws in. I put some bigger
Okay.
screws in. So I just use what come with it, you say, so it's quite nice already, yeah?
Yeah, I like that color. It really complements nicely sa sa cladding ito.
That's the pipes I put in yesterday.
I see. So that's the update. I'm just gonna take a photo of it kasi wala talaga akong photo. Wala akong updated photo. So, yun mga loves. Yun yung update sa ating shower room. So, kulang na lang talaga yung yung floor. No, it's not open, sweetheart. Nope. So, konti na lang talaga yung kulang. Malapit na tayong matapos. And then, after dyan, we're gonna start with the extension. House extension. Yung smell talaga ng lemon ba yung bubungad sa'yo pagka enter mo dito sa enclosure. Diba? Ang daming bulaklak, mga palangga. As I said to you this before, ang dami talaga niyang bulaklak. Halaka! May nakikita akong new lemon, mga palangga, ha? Majority of them, yung mga bulaklak, they are turning into little lemons. Tingnan niyo to, ha? Tingnan niyo to. Yan, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na little lemon. Yan. Ito rin dito, oh. Di ba? Halaka, excited ako dito, Dai. Excited talaga ako dito sa lemon. Come on, focus. Oy, yan. I need to put a fertilizer kasi naghilo siya. Bakit naghihilo yung niya? Parang may to ba? May problema. Dito lang muna tayo magtambay-tambay. Uy, kasi naman. Weekend, walang trabaho. So, pahinga lang muna. Sabi ko sa inyo mga palangga, magre-relax kami. Pero ayun tingnan nyo. Napuputol ng ng damo. Kasi maganda daw yung weather. Ay, naku naman tong si Mr. Medyo gubat na to ba? Itong ating dito pananim. Ano to? Tingnan nyo to. Parang siyang chives. Yang itong tumubo. Hala mga loves, amoy chives nga. Chives talaga siya, feeling ko. Or na, hindi natin yan bubunutin. Kasi kawawa pag chives siya, hindi bubunutin natin, no? Yan na. Pero yung kamay, ay naku naman. Kailangan ko din maputo lang kuko talaga kasi medyo mahahaba na. Itong mga pots dito, mga palangga na yung halaman na matay, gagamitin natin to kasi 'di ba sa bahay meron tayong bulaklak doon. I-transfer natin yun sa isang pot. There you go. Yung ating mga seeds, I don't think they're ready to be transferred. Ito, malapit na ata to. Itong monsto natin. Yung green beans, parang hindi pa ready. Ito, yung eggplant natin. Yung aubergine natin, meron na. Hala, excited na this. Kasi last time na binigyan yung kayo ng update, hindi pa to tumubo. Hala, mga loves, tingnan nyo to. May kumakain sa kanila ba? Nawala na yung dahon. Ayay naman. Kayo ha. At ito rin, meron ako nakikita. Oh, na tumubo. Itong leek. Right, paglalagay tayo dito ng yung pampatay ng mga insekto ba or yung kumakain sa kanila kasi kawawa. Hindi pa nga natin natatanim, may kumakain na sa kanila. Buda natin sila ng slug killer just in case na slug yung kumakain sa kanila. I don't think slug yung kumakain. And then i-sprayhan natin yung mga pananim natin, yung nabili natin. Ito pala. Oh, ito yung hinahanap ko. Sabi ko sa inyo na meron akong bug killer talaga. 'Di ba? Ay wala lang aphids dito. Black fly, white fly, green fly, scale insects. Itong mealybugs, I don't know what it is. And then itong red one. Ayan. Ito, meron tong aphids pero ano na? Wala nang laman. Ito yung hinahanap ko sa utility room. Sabi ko, I'm pretty sure meron ako. Pero, hindi ko mahanap. Nandito pala sila. We need to throw this away kasi wala na yung laman. Right. I-sprayhan natin. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung mga kumakain sa kanila. Kaya, itry na lang natin itong gamitin. Kasi nandito na to dito. Kaya, gagamitin natin. Sprayan din natin to. Sprayan natin sila lahat. Babalikan ko actually yung lemon ko at isprayan ko sila ulit. Ito, sprayan natin. Sprayan ko yung blueberry natin just in case. Yung blueberry natin, meron na siyang bulaklak mga loves. Oh, yan na oh. Kita niyo yan. Meron na siyang bulaklak. Yan pa naman yung bulaklak na nakikita ko. Kakaunti pa lang. Sana dadami, no? Yung bulaklak. I-research ko muna mga palangga kung bakit yung ating lemon, they're turning yellow. At ito rin oh, they're turning yellow. At tapos parang may kumakagat sa kanila kasi yun oh, look, that part there. Hindi sana kami aalis mga palangga. But then si Mr. nag-decide last minute.
Wasn't last minute.
Last minute na. It is a last minute. This is not our
I
plan.
took her by surprise. Who's the aircon on?
Meron tayong baon na jelly. Takot magutom. I'm scared to be hungry. That's why I got this. Come on. There's no car.
Could be.
Oh,
The
God.
hedgehog racing first.
We're gonna go to IKEA mga loves.
Let's have a look around.
Ang daming cherry blossom mga palangga. Sobrang ganda tingnan ba? Para siyang nag-i-snow ng cherry blossom. This is what I like. Gusto ko tong itanim sa bahay. Ano sa mga gilid-gilid mga cherry blossom yan. Ano?
I've been in Japan.
Look, yeah, no. Oh, it's so
Bit of wind
nice.
from the look, yeah.
Look. Umuulan ng cherry blossom. That's so good.
Everywhere.
Dito na kami mga loves.
Why? Oh, darling, you're looking so hot today. Now, she's off. Look where she's going. There. There. See, M&S. That's at St. Michael, darling. St. Michael's is M&S.
I did not realize that.
Yeah. Do I have to do all this filming? It's very busy.
Yeah. It's very
All
busy.
furniture, like.
We forgot our voucher, sweetheart. I forgot our voucher sa Next kasi nung Christmas, binigyan kami ng voucher ni Ganan at hindi pa namin nagagamit.
It's grown as this place.
Yeah. We're going there, IKEA.
Toys are good.
Hmm?
Used to be toys are good. Used to be half toys and stuff. There wasn't none of this lot.
Very nice.
This is purely
Kitchen, isn't it?
That's it.
Yeah.
Not what I was looking for. Is it?
I'm pretty sure there will be more.
Well, I thought it would be. That's a bit disappointing.
Let's have a look around here.
Doesn't believe it.
Huh? I'm pretty sure there's bigger than that.
It's an IKEA press and detail. So it's that. Oh yeah, it's just Aldi.
Aldi.
What's wrong with the Aldi then?
What's Five Guys?
What?
What's Five Guys?
Food,
Is it? Oh, let me just research and I'm pretty sure there will be more. We're a bit disappointed mga palangga kasi gusto namin yung IKEA, yung buong IKEA ba? Hindi kitchen lang. Ito kasing IKEA na to, kung makikita nyo, kitchen lang kasi yung binibenta nila. I did not realize that. Ayay, meron pa music yung New Look mga loves. Baka makapiright tayo. This is really cool. Ito na, bored na si Mr. Every store na napasukan namin mga palangga, merong mga pa-music. Naku naman, nandito kami ngayon sa outdoor store. Yung mga camping, mga bike, yung mga sports, pang sports ba. Kaso may music. We're going towards here. So, meron silang Costa, Nando's, TUI, Subway, KFC. And then, I'm curious about these Five Guys. Right, just be careful, sweet. No car. Yeah, gusto ko lang makita ko ano tong Five Guys. And then, meron din pala ditong McDonald's. So, yeah. Is that like American restaurant? It looks like it's just in the inside, interior of it. It looks like American style. But I could be wrong. Window shopping. Maghanap-hanap kami ng carpet, mga palangga. Is it open?
Yeah?
Yeah, still open. So heavy.
It did say push, didn't it? Or did it say pull?
Cool. Oh, meron na namang pa-music. That's this one is like a hint of pink. Ang gaganda ng mga bed nila dito, mga loves. I like this, oh, kasi parang hotel na hotel talaga ba yung feeling, yung ganito. Maganda. Gusto ko yung ano, king size. Para bongga talaga ba? Ayan, oh, parang king size ata yan. This is a king size. Ay, naku, pagkamahal ba? King size ba to? Ah, king size nga to ata, mga loves. Wala na masyadong tao kasi malapit na sila mag-close. Wake up.
Morning, darling. It's nice with that.
This is it.
What's the frightening price? Holy macaroni.
Don't look at the price. Look at the comfort.
How much is a king?
That's the king. This one.
Mattress, base, headboard.
Ah, okay. Now I get it, mga
5 foot
loves.
king. What size is it? What's this one?
I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, you want the whole deal, isn't it?
Hang on. Mattress, base, headboard.
Yeah, this is, if you only want...
Colours available. That will be... presume it's silver fox, that.
Probably. Yeah, it's just so nice, mga loves.
This is the...
That's a spring.
That's the bong, isn't it?
Uy! Don't be...
Testing it.
You're testing it.
This is right.
No. This one as well. This is alright, but I think that's a good quality.
It's got storage underneath.
This one. There was a storage, isn't it?
Yeah, on the side.
Yeah, on the side. Yeah, this one. Ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. I think. Or that one ba? Ah, ito pala. Ito. Ito yung first. Ah, this is the one that I showed them earlier.
This has big storage.
Uy! Hala, uy. Makaguba. Diyo kadra. Right, hold. I'm gonna try this bed.
Oh, I've done something. Hang on. You put your feet on the thing. That's it. You don't sleep like that.
I think that's better.
You snore.
I think that's better.
Yeah, well, it's £1,200 cheap, more expensive.
This is wood. If you get the mattress, base and headboard, that's 2,528. No, I like that bed, hun.
Cheers.
Cheers. Sa labas tayo mga palangga. Curious na ako. Hangin pala talaga kaya ayaw lumabas ni Mr. Meron silang D50 dito. Oh, the food is here. Right, we're going in. The food is here. Wow, look at the dog. It's so cute. Hello.
Hello.
That's his food.
Expensive food, yeah.
And this is my food. We're heading home, mga loves.
You know your way home?
No, I got you, so
I'm not sure
I
myself.
will be home.
I think we'll find our way somehow. We'll just follow.
How's your food, mister?
It was average.
I did enjoy it, my kebab. You know, it's a change, you know. It's a change from a British food.
Well, it was British. It was made in England.
No.
Right, what's your...
Hi! Sus na ko naman. Bye! Bye, place.